Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to copy off a folder in Google Drive. Also, if you want to know how to be more productive online, make sure to check our free productivity resources below and also sign up for our free productivity newsletter. But now let's see how to copy off a folder in Google Drive. So go to Google Drive and log in. Find the folder you want to copy and click plus new on the left hand menu and select folder. Name the new folder, like copy of the folder name, and for open the original folder, double click the folder to open it. Use Ctrl A to select all files in the folder. Right click on the selected files and choose make a copy. Copies of the files will appear in the same folder with names like copy of and the file name. Select all the copied files. Right click and choose move to. Select the new folder and click move. And that's it, alright. So all in all, this is how to copy a folder in Google Drive. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Make sure to check out our AI productivity prompt database that you can download for free and which contains over 1,100 plus AI prompts that can help you to improve your personal and work productivity. Also, we have a free weekly productivity newsletter that you can sign up for below. And last but not least, if this tutorial was not up to date, make sure to check our more detailed and updated tutorial blog post, which you can also find in the video description below.